The CBVELO 1000W folding electric bike impresses with its robust motor that effortlessly reaches speeds up to 30 miles per hour, making it ideal for both city commutes and off-road adventures. This e-bike offers an outstanding range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, thanks to its high-capacity 48-volt 20-ampere-hour removable battery, ensuring you can enjoy long rides without frequent recharging. Riders can expect a smooth journey with the advanced front suspension system that effectively absorbs shocks on uneven surfaces, while the hydraulic dual-disc brakes provide reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. The 20-inch fat tires on this electric bike deliver exceptional stability and grip across various terrains, from urban streets to rugged trails, ensuring a safe and controlled ride. Designed for convenience, the foldable frame of this e-bike allows for easy storage and transport, making it a perfect choice for those with limited space or who need to combine biking with other forms of transportation. The modern color LCD display keeps you informed with real-time data on speed, battery level, distance traveled, and pedal assist mode, enhancing the overall riding experience.